This 2020 Winnebago Boldt 4X4 KL is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, TV, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, smoke detector, stove top burner, LP detector, air conditioning, awning, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2020 Winnebago Boldt 4X4 KL is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.